Hello, and welcome to Curriculum Night 2020. My name is Andrew Bolin, and I have the pleasure of being your child's peer leadership teacher this school year. I've also included here a direct link to my class website. You can click on that, it'll take you to my homepage, and then you can click on peer leadership, and that'll give you some information about the course. So, my background, I was born and raised in South Florida, the Miami Fort Lauderdale area. I love it. I miss it. Well, let me rephrase that. I miss the food and I miss the beaches. I miss the food more than the beaches. But I don't miss the extreme clutter and congestion down there. I moved to Georgia right after college graduation. And this is now my fifth year at Alpharetta High School, and I'm so excited. It is my fifth year at Alpharetta and my fourth year teaching peer leadership. I love this class. I love the work that we do, and I love the students that I work with. I earned my master's of education from Liberty University in curriculum and instruction, and my bachelor's of applied sciences from Miami-Dade. My major is public safety administration and criminal justice, and I also took some minor courses in chemistry and terrorism. So about me, I do consider myself extremely organized. I thrive in an organized setting. I speak very loudly at times. I'm very passionate about what I teach. I love criminal justice as well as developing young student leaders. I am the student council advisor at Alpharetta High School. I coach freshman girls volleyball. I do like to have fun in the classroom. Making things engaging and exciting helps to pass the time, but it also increases student learning. And I do believe that I have a great rapport with my students. And because of that, I develop a great relationship with them. And, we really do get along very well, making the classroom environment more fun. And I will do anything to help my students succeed. And then, like it says, I just worked in the criminal justice field for about 10 years. Specific information about peer leadership. It is a year-long course. It is Hope Scholarship eligible. The evaluation methods that we use, it's committee assignments, as well as the leadership teaching assignments, and then attendance. So your grade is comprised of all three of those components. And Campus Portal is a great way for you to stay up to date on progress. If you have any questions, that gives you the information of who to call. And how can you help? This is usually not an issue for peer leadership students, but if they do need to get prepared for one of their leadership activities for the week, they can definitely use the weekends to do that with their partner. Check Campus Portal regularly. Check the course calendar on the website regularly. Students also have this linked in their Microsoft Teams. And then email me with any questions or concerns that you have. And that's it. I look forward to a great year. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.